V9 Gen 2. Isa na. Wow. Ano to? Alright, may gloves, cable connectors. Okay, manual. Alright. PXN. Plastic, rubber. All plastic. Alright. Next is shifter 6 gear. Oho. Uy, parang tunay. Reverse. Oho. I-clamp yung base sa cable. Pedal, parang metal dito. Pero lahat halos plastic na. USB-C connections. Oh, diba? Accelerator, brake, and clutch. Alright. Pedal, wheel, shifter, connections, cable, clean gloves, at mat. Okay, yan lang. Thanks so much for watching. Later on, i-set up natin to, guys. Alright.